We're about to fly this plane to a private club on top of a mountain that's so private we actually need to give a secret code to land. But getting in and out of here won't be easy. It's a short runway at the edge of a cliff, almost a mile in the sky. So let's get ready to take off. So we're about 35 miles south of Mountain Air right now. We're cleaning off the plane, we're gonna put some cameras on, then we're gonna take off. So I've wanted to land here for probably 10 plus years. This is an airport that's higher elevation than we've ever done before, so it's 4,432 feet, almost-ish, getting close to a mile up in the sky. We've had to postpone this trip a few times now due to weather. Wind and mountains can be really dangerous, especially for a plane that's only 100 horsepower. Might get a little bit tricky, so we'll have to see what we're in for. Clear prop. Clear! Okay, 2465, that's who we talked to on the way in. I assume that's probably good for the way out. Cannot go above 4,300 until we're talking to them, because there's airspace that we'd run right into, and that would not be good. Hendersonville traffic, Cessna 223. Oh yeah, and we're gonna have a 360 camera strapped to the plane for the entire trip. Here we go. This footage is about to be insane. There's full power, full rich. Green, 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 charging. Woo! Get up out of here. Yeah, 318 to Cessna 150, we're just on. After a quick request for flight following and an airspace transition, we were off.
5318, ready to contact 8 miles south Seattle Airport, maintain via final course.
Mountain Air, baby! I wanted to go here for like a decade. I've wanted to live here since I saw a picture of it. It just looks like the coolest place on earth, so.
I might be nervous.
I think it's gonna be great. Honestly, if anything, I'd be a little bit more nervous about the way out tomorrow. Just the taking off that high up.
What?
Trying to get a 100 horsepower plane to accelerate and take off on a sub 3,000 foot strip at 4,500 feet up is just, it's not gonna accelerate like you're used to.
Hey, that's not helping me.
So because this is a private club, you have to get approval before you land. It's like a two-stage like phone interview. You have to like study their whole landing procedure, which we'll be doing soon. And then eventually you get a multi-digit like secret code that you have to give them from the air when you're on the way in so that they can give you permission to land. So it is like a gated,
Feels
private,
like 007.
Pretty 007-ish. Yeah.
I'm starting to get foliage.
Look at that, that's crazy, that's science. It's like just at the tops. It's just starting to get cold enough at the tops. That's so cool. With 8 miles to go, here's our plan. First, we're gonna fly over Mountain Air to do a visual check of the runway. Then we'll fly 3 miles northeast to Burnsville, North Carolina. There, we'll spiral down to 5,500. That gets us down to the traffic pattern altitude. And finally, we'll look to follow a highway all the way to runway 32, where we'll join a right downwind to land the plane. I'm gonna click over and see if we can pick up this automated METAR.
Mountain Air Airport, runway 32, automated advisory, wind, calm, temperature 12 Celsius, into the altitude 5,000, airport for private use only. Welcome to the highest runway east of the Mississippi.
That's badass.
I love her too. Do we need to meet her?
I know, I hope so. Go off, Queen. Mountain Air traffic, Cessna 22318, 5 miles now to the southwest at 7,500, inbound full stop for 32, Mountain Air.
Roger that. We have no reported air traffic.
Landing code is...
Roger that.
All right, now I'm really excited.
Okay, we're almost over top. Go ahead and do landing light. We might be landing above the clouds, y'all. That's a first for sure. Okay, so we'll enter our right downwind.
Those clouds are gonna be below us when we land. That's so dope.
There's Burnsville.
Ah.
All right, we're spiraling down. So we're at 7,500 now, on our way down to 5,500. So we're gonna burn 2,000 feet.
Ooh.
Follow the highway from Burnsville, which I think is that one.
I've got a highway right below me. Yeah, it's kind of like a annoying thing. It'd be like the highway and there's more than one.
It's just one of these roads, I think. Mountain Air traffic, Cessna 318 joining right downwind 32, Mountain Air. There are the bumps.
And that's where we're going?
That's where we're going.
Oh my god.
Mountain Air traffic, Cessna 318 turning final 32, full stop Mountain Air. It's blowing us.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna slow down a little bit here.
There's the light signals at the end.
Yep. Come on.
Oh my gosh. Amazing.
Wow. That was nuts.
Mr. Reggie, that golf cart, that green one pointing toward the tarmac is all yours.
The landing might be over, but that's not even the hardest part of flying here. So we packed up our stuff, played a round of golf at the resort.
Who's winning?
I am not winning.
Oh.
and came up with a game plan for our departure. Right now it says that tomorrow at 8 a.m. it's going to be density altitude of 4,789. At 9 a.m. it's 4929. So that means the plane will behave as if we're at 4,900 feet, even though we're actually at 4,432 feet, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, we just woke up and it's obviously a little cloudy back here. You can see the runway kind of disappearing, but when this thin layer here moves out, we're just going to be like clear skies up top and just an ocean of clouds below. It's going to be unbelievable. The plan? Take off on the other runway, which slopes downhill. Plus, we've got just a half tank of gas to help make us lighter. All of that should help us get up to speed to take off on this high elevation runway. You ready?
Yep. You ready to die?
Mountain air traffic, Cessna 318 back taxiing runway 14, Mountain air.
Roger, we know for air traffic.
All right, thank you.
I'm shade right now.
All right, doors locked, you're good?
Yeah, doors closed.
All right, we're gonna line up, we're gonna do full brakes, full power, and then let go. Ready?
Yep.
Mountain air traffic, Cessna 318 departing runway 14 will be a left crosswind departure, Mountain air. Okay, we're off. Green, 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 charging. Feel that how slow it is to get going?
Yeah.
That's expected, but we're already actually picking up pretty decent speed, and here comes the hill.
Yeah.
Looking good. Oh yeah, there you go, that hill is making it nice.
We're flying.
We're flying, keep the nose down. Get some good speed coming over here.
Oh my god.
Gonna get our left turn going. Mountain air traffic, Cessna 38 left downwind departure toward Burnsville for the climb. See ya. Our plan worked really well.
We didn't die.
Oh yeah.